Last time, Pip crawled out of the sun. A 100,000-year journey. But every journey starts somewhere. Today, rewind. This is how a photon is born. Down through the boiling zone. Down through the zigzag zone. To the core. 15 million degrees. Squeezed 150 times denser than water. The only place in the sun where light is made. Making light takes fusion, protons slamming together. One problem, protons repel each other hard. The closer they get, the harder they push apart. By the ordinary rules, the core is about 1,000 times too cool. Protons should never, ever touch. Enter the quantum world. A proton isn't really a tiny ball. It's a fuzzy cloud of maybe. And a fuzzy cloud doesn't have to climb the wall. Sometimes it simply shows up on the other side. Quantum tunneling. It's rare. Absurdly rare. An average proton waits billions of years for its lucky moment. And that slowness is a gift. It's why the sun burns gently for billions of years instead of going off all at once. Two protons tunnel and fuse. Out comes deuterium, a tiny anti-electron, and a ghost, a neutrino. The anti-electron meets its opposite and vanishes in a flash of pure light. The ghost just leaves. No pinball, no zigzag. The neutrino strolls through 15 million degrees of plasma like it isn't even there, and reaches the surface in about 2 seconds. If it could talk, it would say, "See you around, slowpokes." More about this one another time. Back in the core, the recipe continues. Deuterium grabs a proton, and there, a flash of gamma light. That flash is Pip. One more step. 2 helium-3s collide, make helium-4, and toss 2 protons back to try again. 4 protons in, 1 helium out, plus light. Now, the magic. Weigh the helium, and a tiny bit of mass is missing. That missing mass became the light. E equals mc squared. Every second, the sun fuses 600 million tons of hydrogen, and 4 million tons becomes pure energy. Some of that energy is Pip. Honesty time. Down in the core, a photon isn't really a little glowing ball with eyes. It's a crowd. Countless flickers of energy, absorbed and reborn. More like a shimmer than a thing. Pip is the story we tell, so the energy has a face. And now, the story you know begins. 100,000 years of pinball. Somewhere far ahead, a ghost is already waiting at Earth, wondering what took so long.